Today I've installed the brand new Starline Halo Immobiliser on this 2019 Range Rover Evoque. So as we all know, it's gone beyond the key cloning relay attack that they commonly use with the standard immobilisers, and now they're spending sort of 10 to 15 minutes in the vehicle, stripping them to bits, cutting holes everywhere, trying to get it started. So this vehicle, as well as protecting you with an immobiliser, also makes noise in the event that they want to attack the vehicle and spend loads of time in it. So how it works: if a thief got in the vehicle, got it started, went to drive away, select a gear, it's going to switch off and protect the vehicle. If they then try and start the vehicle up again, it will start up. When they go to select a gear, it goes mad, kills the vehicle, and you hear the horn going crazy. So because we've got neighbours about and we're only testing and showing you for the video, what I'll do is stall it and then quickly put the input code in, which is the only way to disarm it and stop the horn from honking. So you'll see that. Select a gear, it dies, horn goes mad, pop the disarm code in that we've set simple for the video, system disarms, and the horn silenced. So in the event that someone's in the vehicle, they're trying to steal it, it's going to make loads of noise. This can also be paired with a phone, so you don't need to use a push sequence. Push sequence can be between 3 and 21 presses in any order that you choose. With the phone connected, Bluetooth will turn on, you get a green circle, you can just start the vehicle and drive it away. Get a double beep to confirm that it's disarmed and the vehicle can be driven, doesn't stall out, doesn't sound the horn. System can also be put into service mode, so when you take it back to Range Rover, you just want it to be a normal vehicle. The way you do that is press and hold. Yellow, let go. Oh, apologies, we just have to disarm the system. So ignition on, get our double bleep to confirm it's disarmed, press and hold. It's going to spin round. When it goes to yellow, we'll let go. One long tone, and this now in service mode. So now, when Range Rover get it, there'll be no horn honk, no stalling, it's just a normal vehicle till you get it back from them. When you do, all you've got to do is just do the same thing in reverse, press and hold, it'll spin round. When it goes back to green, we'll let go and we'll get one long tone. There we go, it's now out of service mode. So if we just turn the ignition on, you'll hear it disarm. There we go. Now we'll turn the vehicle off, give it some time to set, and we'll show you it immobilising again. So giving it some time to set, we'll start it up again. Get no double bleep, phone's out of range because the Bluetooth's off or it's dead. Thief tries to steal it, first time it stalls, pop the handbrake on. Second time they go to steal it, it's going to go mad, and the only way to silence it is with the code. So, vehicle stalls, code, double bleep, that silences the horn. If you want to get one of these fitted, we're Immobiliser Fit. This is the brand new Starline Halo. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.